And today we're going to do the foam roller. So foam roller has been getting really popular. We actually have a class Wednesday night, 6:15. Luke teaches it, and it's off the charts, $5 whole. So if you want to incorporate this into your program, you know, it's a little expensive, but it is whole $5. Okay, it's going to introduce you to the foam rolling every Wednesday, but if you do want to come to that, please text me, because every once in a while there won't be enough people and we don't have class. So if you did want to take advantage of that, let me know. Again, Luke's the instructor. It's about a 45-minute stretch and foam rolling, but everybody's just loving it. So one of the things we're talking about is the foam roller. Now, there's a lot of different types of foam rollers. There's the white one, which is a lot less intense. There's the black one, which is kind of I wouldn't say the medium. I think this is pretty tough, but then there's one with nodules. You guys may have seen that before. And then the technique we're doing is myofascia release, or fascia. There's fascia all over our bodies, and it can get really tight. Depending on, you know, the older we get, unfortunately, we sit in improper positions, we've had traumas, we've had falls, we've played sports, and these little areas, Janice is a massage therapist, so she knows trigger points. So we're trying to release those trigger points. And how I visualize it is, say here's a trigger point in your upper back, and here's this foam roller, or whatever tool you're using. We're trying to break up that scar tissue adhesion and bring in blood flow, circulation, and then it tends to heal better when we do that. Right, Janice?
Correct.
Good, great, awesome. So we also have a lacrosse ball and tennis balls, which are great for specific areas. And one of the things I get a lot is, when should I do this, Kevin? When should I foam roll? Before exercise is one of the best, and before bedtime, in my opinion, because when you're sleeping is when you're healing. So the best time to kind of release those areas, either before bed or prior to exercise. Some people think maybe after exercise would be good, but even before they're finding out, it's actually like a warm-up, because you're elongating the muscle, circulation and healing, and really a great way to start the exercise round. Okay? And so just kind of go over this myofascia. Now, I want to show you, so if you kind of, I'm going to bring this down. So the white area is fascia, but fascia is all over our body. This is just showing like major, and some of it is ligaments and tendons, but like the IT band, you guys kind of, if you've done any kind of foam rolling, you know that these IT bands can get really tight, especially if we sit a lot, we're driving a lot, wherever we're at. If we're in this position, I'm going to shorten that IT band, hip flexor and hamstrings, and guess what happens next? A lot of people sometimes get lower back issues. So we really want to release those areas. But again, if you're curious what fascia is, that's what it normally looks like, but it's all over our skin, holds in blood vessels, nerves. I kind of have a description here. We obviously need it, but we need to help release it and get those massages or the foam rolling. Awesome. Okay, I kind of talked about the causes. You know, there's past injuries, there's exercising can do that as well, improper posture, pain medication, current ways to fix it, you know, yoga, chiropractor, stretching, physical therapist. The reasons it doesn't work is because it needs to be an everyday thing. If you got an issue, you got to do it every day. And we find that out with our clients that come in, and a lot of people, it's very interesting to have like knee issues, and it can be from the IT band. It's hard to say, you know, that's going to help, but let's just try the basic thing first, and you know, release those areas and see what happens, right? So that's pretty much it. I think I want to get you guys down on the ground, feeling the foam roller. Does anybody have any questions?
Nope. Yeah.